Jumbo folks, welcome aboard the Eastern Star Railway's Wildlife Express. At this point in time, I will ask everyone to please remain seated for the full duration of the journey, keeping all hands, arms, legs, feet, fingers, heads, and toes inside the cars at all points in time. There is also no smoking on board the train at any point in time for the safety and comfort of all those around you. And the trip up to Ratfiki's Planet Watch will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This train is intended as transportation only, I repeat, transportation only, to and from Ratfiki's Planet Watch. We do have the conservation station with the vet center, nutrition center, and character greeting areas. Most often we're going to have either Pocahontas or Rafiki up there. It is also home to the affection section, which is our large domestic petting yard. And the habitat, which is home to the Cotton Top Tamarins and the Kids Discovery Club. Guys, I need everyone seated fully back on a seat. Thank you. As we go along the tracks, we are surely going to be going by some billboards. These billboards are actually showing some stills from our new film, Earth, which opened back on April 22nd. As we go further along the tracks, we're surely going to be again some of the backstage areas of the savannah part of the safari. This first area will be the night houses for the lions, the warthogs, and the hoofstock. Interestingly enough, included in the hoofstock are going to be the ostriches. Those night bars are used every single night. We do bring in all animals off the safari. They will receive food, water, medical care, and be checked over for any injuries that might have happened during the day. As we go further along the tracks, we're shortly going to be on the savannah part of the safari. Keep your eyes peeled, you might be able to see an animal or two. You are much more likely to be able to see a Jeep truck out there. And I can with 100% certainty guarantee there are a couple of Florida orange trees out there. The Animal Kingdom is the largest Disney theme park in the world. In fact, it is large enough that it will completely hold Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and the Magic Kingdom inside. The safari out here is the largest. Folks, I need everyone fully seated back in their seats. Thank you. The safari is the largest ride in the Animal Kingdom, and by itself, it is large enough to completely hold the Magic Kingdom and still have 30 acres left over for a parking lot. The safari is over 100 acres. The whole entire Animal Kingdom is over 500 acres. This next set of night houses we're going to be passing by will be for the white rhinos, the cheetahs, and the African elephants. As we go around this bend, we're surely going to be going by a large building. On this building, we picture the many different animals. All these animals have been held by Disney's Worldwide Conservation Fund. Some big building is going to be the conservation station, with the vet center, nutrition center, and character greeting areas I mentioned earlier. It also has 33 hidden Mickeys enclosed inside the conservation station. As we pull into the Ratfiki's Planet Watch station, I will ask everyone to please remain seated until we have come to a full stop and the doors have been opened for you. Please do not attempt to open any doors. We will open them for you when it is safe to do so. And please do not unfold strollers until you are across the yellow line of the exit area for safety reasons for us, please. The exit area on this platform will be at the center of the wing. She's going to obviously not be wanting to move it very often, but we want to discourage any movement of that arm. If you guys want to come as close as possible, please feel free. However, please do not bang or touch the window at all, because it can be very distracting to our doctors. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shout them out. If I don't know the answer, we can always ask the vets when they are done with their procedure. Now you can see we're just starting. We're going to start to apply everything, and you can see we're putting those metal, looks like little metal wires, and that's just to help support the prosthesis to make sure it's very strong, just like the belt.
How much can they weigh?
Not very much. They're probably about. You'll have to ask them. They're not very heavy because they're all feathers and their bones are hollow. So
What happened to it?
well, this is a Saris crane, and she's in here because she got hurt. She's new here, and we got her so she could breathe and make babies. And her new friends got a bit excited to see her. And she just got a bit intimidated by him because he's a boy and she's a girl. And so she went to walk away and she ran into the fence. So she broke her arm. So you see how it's all red? That's actually gauze, so it's just keeping that covered because she broke her arm. And she also broke her mouth a bit. She does have the old injury of the tip of her mouth being broken off a bit, and we fixed it, and then she broke it off again, just a prosthesis, so that didn't hurt too much. So now we're putting a new prosthesis on so she can eat all the bugs she wants.
Is she asleep? What do you see?
Most definitely she is asleep. She's under a gas anesthesia. She is, we do trach and everything like that, so if it's an issue we have, it's a gas anesthetic mixed birth.